What's going on, my peeps? It's your boy Jake here, and today we're going to be doing something with the other beauty in the front. And I kind of left you guys on the cliffhanger on a to be continued with the GT500 wing, but this is what we're going to continue. I kind of put it on. I got, when I got the car back, I kind of wanted to put it on, and I rushed to put it on. And then the transmission 3 days later went out again, so I sent it back in. And you're not supposed to see that thing. You're not supposed to see that the new edge is primered, but we're going to start this thing. Oh yeah, the new edge is primered, by the way. The new edge has work done to it, which I'll update you guys on that eventually. The new edge has its work to it, but what we're going to be doing today pretty much is I'm going to be putting the stripes on. And yeah, I kind of cheaped out and I got the cheaper ones, but they're 3-inch stripes. We're going to see how this goes. And we're going to be waxing the car as well, trying to get off some swirl marks and just trying to clean up the paint a little bit, because when I got it back, I mean, it looks like they tried to clean it, but it was dirty. So I'm going to clean it up and put on some stripes, and I'm going to have my dad help me. So you probably saw him in the shot over here walking to talk to me or something. You probably saw him over here. But yeah, guys, so let's do this. And there she is. I have her at home. Finally, it's been like 2 months, 3 months since I had her. I still got the louvers, but this is the surprise. I have the wing on, guys. I bolted the wing on, and I mean, it's kind of crooked. I kind of messed up, because if you feel under here, my hand reaches in, and you go, and then my finger goes flush. So I gotta just straighten out this end a little bit more, so it won't come out in pictures. I'm gonna go to that shop with the Mach 1, where the last video was, and I'm gonna get that done. And I'm gonna take this sticker off, but first let's start waxing the thing. I'm trying to figure out what we should do. Should we wax it first, or should we put the stripes first? I'll figure that out, right? I'll figure it out real quick. So yeah, I mean, pretty much, let's get into it then, guys. Let's get into it. You don't like me to change things, so that's why I wanted your reaction. But now you already know, so.
But it looks good.
Thank you. That's all I need to know. Cause.
But I still miss my wing.
No, that wing was ugly.
I miss the original wing.
Why do you like the stock wing?
I just do.
No, GT500 wing all the way. No. Got me a Whataburger. If you're local to Texas, Whataburger is the stuff. And check that out. Check out that stripe. And so lit. Got me a Whataburger. The stripe is nice. Go from there. So I came outside real quick. Basically what happened is I ran out of time. The sun is coming down, as always. So I ran out of time. And so basically, I have a Whataburger inside. I'm gonna eat that in a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys some of the new edge, I guess, and I was gonna wash and wax the car and show you guys that in the video, but I'll just show you guys a little bit of the new edge progress. So basically, new edge has a bumper, a brand new bumper, primered, but it needs to be sanded and reprimered, because if we paint, these runs will come out, so gotta fix that. and gotta fix the clip a little bit to get it back in place. Just a little bit, follow the lines, get that back in place, and I gotta buy a clip right here and put that back in place. Or if you guys want, you guys can send me a clip, it's cool too. Have the new support in here. This plastic is new, it's dirty, but it's actually new. When you clean it, it's new plastic, brand new plastic. The bullets are on. They're a little ugly. That's when we had the other new edge. The other new edge is over there actually, but bullets are on. That's nice. Bullets are on. And primered the back bumper. And I had a GT deck lid, but I took it off. So guys, there's a lot of things coming. Like I said, I apologize for this video being short, but we got a lot of videos coming to the car soon. I just gotta save the money again. I do things as I save. I save the money, do the parts, save the money, do the parts, you know, and we'll continue from there. So whenever I'm not making a video about the car, I'll be making videos with my friends and their cars and their builds. So stay subscribed, guys, if you want to see some more stuff. So remember, smash that like button, press the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
Yeah.